Are you ready to learn one of the most useful phrasal verbs in English? Today, we're talking about find out. This is a phrase you'll hear and use all the time, whether you're chatting with friends, reading a news article, or solving a problem at work. But what does find out really mean? Simply put, it means to discover or to get information about something. When you find out something, you learn something new that you didn't know before. It's an essential tool for communicating in English, especially when you want to talk about learning new facts or getting answers to your questions. Let's break it down a little more. Imagine your brain is searching for a missing puzzle piece. You don't have the full picture yet, but you really want to know what's missing. When you finally get that piece, you find out the answer. That's what this phrasal verb is all about. Getting new information that you didn't have before. It's important to understand the difference between find out, know, and discover. Know means you already have the information in your mind. For example, I know his name means you already learned it. Discover is often used for finding something new, like a place, an idea, or an object. Think of a scientist discovering a new planet, or an explorer discovering a new island. But find out is specifically about getting information or learning facts, often by asking, searching, or investigating. Let's look at some practical examples of how to use find out, especially with a noun, which is the thing you want to know. For instance, I want to find out the truth. Imagine a detective searching for clues, trying to learn what really happened. Or, she called the hotel to find out the price. Maybe she's planning a trip and wants to know how much it will cost to stay there, so she calls and asks for the information. Another example, we need to find out his address. Think of someone trying to send a letter or a package and needing the right location. In these sentences, find out is followed directly by the thing you want to know. The truth, the price, his address. That's the most natural and common way to use this verb. You might sometimes see the object placed between find and out, for example, find the truth out, but this is less common and sounds more formal or old-fashioned. For now, it's best to use the form you've just seen, find out, plus the thing you want to know. Now, let's make things a little more interesting. One of the most useful ways to use find out is with which words: what, where, who, when, why, and how. These words help us ask more specific questions and get more detailed information. Here are some examples. I need to find out what time the train leaves. Maybe you're planning a trip and you don't know the schedule. You want to get this information so you can be on time. Did you find out where they live? Perhaps you're trying to visit a friend, but you don't know their new address. You want to learn this so you can go to the right place. She tried to find out who called her. Imagine you missed a call and you don't recognize the number. You want to discover the identity of the person who contacted you. In each of these sentences, find out is followed by a WH word and a clause. What time the train leaves, where they live, who called her. This structure is very common in both questions and statements, and it's perfect for asking for and giving more detailed information. Let's take a moment to talk about how to conjugate find out. This is important because find is an irregular verb, which means it changes form in the past and perfect tenses. The word out never changes. It stays exactly the same. Here are the main forms you'll need. Simple past. Found out. For example, I found out the answer yesterday. Here, you are talking about something you learned in the past. Present perfect. Have found out or has found out. For example, we have found out some surprising news. This tense is used when the action has a connection to the present moment or when the exact time isn't specified. Continuous tenses: am finding out, is finding out, or are finding out. For example, they are finding out more details right now. This shows that the action is happening at this very moment. The only part you need to change is the verb find, which becomes found in the past and in the past participle forms. The word out always stays the same. So, to sum up, find out is a flexible and practical phrasal verb that helps you talk about learning new information. You can use it with nouns to say what you want to learn, or with wage words like what, where, and who to get more specific answers. Remember to conjugate find correctly for the tense you are using and keep out as it is. Practice using find out with the examples you've heard today, and try to use it in your own conversations. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. Don't forget, learning new phrasal verbs like find out is a great way to sound more fluent and confident in English. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll be finding out new things every day. Thanks for joining us to learn about find out. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep practicing with more examples and look for opportunities to use this verb in your daily life. The more you use it, the easier it becomes. See you next time.